Hi guys, welcome to Cook with Vidya. As it is the season of mangoes, so I have decided to show some mango recipe. It's mango jam. If you are new to my channel, do like, share and subscribe. The ingredients required here are 4 mangoes chopped, full cup of sugar and half lemon. First make a puree out of the mango pieces. Do not add any water while blending it. The consistency of the puree should be like this. I am transferring the puree to the pan now. Cook in a medium flame. Our next step is to add sugar to the puree. Mix well. Stir the puree well until it starts thickening. Now the puree has come to a boil. Now you can add lime juice to it. Continue stirring until it becomes semi-thick. It's been cooked for 10 minutes. Now to check, just put it on a plate and just tilt it. If it's not too runny and if it sticks to the plate, it's ready. Now I am transferring the jam into the sterilized glass container. Because we have added lime juice to it, you can store it for a longer period. Lemon juice acts as a preservative.